Okay, want to talk really quick about the Ryobi Oscillating Drill. This is the actual drill itself, and it does come with different attachments, 3 actually. This is one attachment here, which actually gives you the half circle to be able to cut into wood or any type of surface that you're trying to get under. This works really well for like door jambs and that sort of thing. So if you're installing some new flooring, and you have a door jamb that you wanting to kind of trim just a little bit in order for that flooring to fit underneath the door, this is actually the right tool. This one here, as you can tell, we've used it quite a bit. We'll go ahead and actually do the exact same purpose. We are needing a new one of these, but this will actually go ahead and give you the same purpose, and it's got a little bit of a lift there. So with this particular tool, this is really great. If you're trying to put a receptacle or a box into the wall, this will actually go ahead and cut into that sheetrock, as well as other surfaces. And then it actually has a sander as well, so this is the last attachment that we currently have for this one, but this is Velcro, and so you're able to go ahead and buy new sanding pieces to be able to go ahead and put onto this. So that it does come with the tool to be able to go ahead and unscrew this, where you can go ahead and change out the attachments. This is the head itself. Sorry, because I've already undone that. It's going to be loose. Let me take that off. Okay, so I went ahead and switched the heads. I did go ahead and put that extra little extender. If you rewind the video, you would have seen it here. It was kind of like a little ring, but I went ahead and just put that on there. So that's what it looks like. You'll tighten this, and that's basically what it looks like. The actual drill itself, the handle itself, is going to look as such. It is got rubber. All of the gray spots you see are actually going to be made of rubber, and then everything else is going to be made out of plastic. On the head of the drill, let me go ahead and put it the right way here. You can see that it actually will show you the attachments that you can actually use for this drill. So I just want to kind of zoom in and kind of show you what that looks like. There you go. So it actually shows you what it's compatible with, which I think is really cool because you can actually get different attachments for this particular Ryobi. And then, of course, it will have its battery and charger. This is one battery and charger, and then we have a backup just in case. This is only an 18 volt, so yeah, it's got good charge, but I won't say that it lasts forever. And so it is what it is, which is why we go ahead and have a second battery. But I'm gonna bring that down here so you guys can see it. So it will go ahead and actually tell you when it's charged, when it's not charged. But basically, in order to go ahead and lift it up, my hands are small, but this is a big battery, and you'll actually squeeze these 2 clips here, and then you'll pull it out. Hold on just a second. I'm going to go ahead and take it out because my hands are small, and I have to actually hold the base as well as the top to be able to take it off. Okay, so now that I've taken it off, you're basically going to go ahead and you're going to take it, and you are going to place your drill like so. You can see where it just kind of fits in there, and you're going to snap it down, and it'll go ahead and actually click, and now it is it's operational. Go ahead and turn it on here. Oh, I have to have a head. Sorry. In order to go ahead and actually use it, you have to have some sort of head. It's got a safety feature here. When you put the head on, it will clip, and then that way you can actually use it. So let me put the head on so you guys can see it. Okay, so now that I've got the head, you basically will go ahead and you'll take it and you will push it down. It will kind of snap into place. This entire head is actually made out of rubber, and then when you use it, it's really loud, so watch your ears. Ready? 3, 2, 1. It's very loud. But that is basically the tool itself. I'm sure because I don't have this tightened is probably why it's loud, because it typically isn't that loud, but it does have a LED or a little light here, and then it actually has a little magnet here, so if you needed to go ahead and put a nail or screw or something that you're have used or taken out of the wall, you can actually go ahead and place it here. So in order to remove the battery, again, you're going to go ahead and hold these 2 clips in. You can see where they move in on both right and left side, and then the battery will go ahead and slip off. This button here is to go ahead and tell you how much charge there is on this battery. So if I was to go ahead and push the button, it will tell me that this battery is fully charged. And so that's basically what that button is there. And of course it came with a bag, which can be sold separately or purchased separately, but it does come with a large bag. You can see it has a very big space there. We've had this for going on 2.5 years and we haven't had any problems with it. We don't use it every single day, but we definitely use it. And what I like about the bag is because it's so big, which you can see my hand kind of fits all the way in there. We can go ahead and actually carry both chargers in here with its sturdy handles, so it'll actually go ahead and keep everything together. Anyway, that's the oscillating tool with Ryobi.